What's going on, guys? It's Lucas from Advantage Academy, and today we will be showing you how to do a basic clipping mask. So what you're going to start with is your text tool. You're going to type a word. I'm going to type turtle. You'll be seeing why in a minute. Take it, size it up to however you want it. Just throw it right there. Then you're going to take the image you want to put over your text. Just drag it and drop it right on top. Come over here. You are going to right click and come up to create clipping mask. Go ahead and hit that, and as you can see, right there. So with this, it remains as independent layer. You can resize it however you want to look behind the word. Move it around. I mean, pretty simple stuff. So, take that. Now this also works with shapes. You can take a shape here, something like that. Now we have to, this doesn't have a fill, so we have to have the fill if we want it to have the clipping mask. So you take that, and then you just take this layer, duplicate it, so we have another one moving independently. Do the same steps, create clipping mask, and there you go. You can resize it. Still moves around. It's just like hidden behind there, and that's a little window. That's basically what a clipping mask creates. Pretty simple stuff, and that's about it. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to comment what you guys want us to do next down below. We always love hearing feedback from you guys. All right. Thank you.